Hello watch people, I'm Nelson. We are back. We are doing this video outdoor. So today we are going to unbox the SNXS79K Seiko 5. If you are looking for a clean and elegant automatic watch, everyday watch, you should count on this Seiko 5, a brand that you should look for. Seiko 5 popular brand collections. There are many timepieces that you can look for that tick the boxes. This is SNXS79K black dial, a very popular watch for Seiko 5 collection. It's my favorite Seiko 5 watch. It's very classic looking, timeless. The Seiko 5 collection is especially very popular because of the high build quality and finish, powered by reliable and durable automatic movement, the caliber 7S26, water resistant 30 meter, mineral glass, a good looking watch, clean, elegant, timeless. The quality is very good for its price. I love this black dial. It's simple, sportiness, and very versatile. A great casual wear, everyday watch. Diameter is 35 mm, 12 mm thickness. Suitable for men with small or medium sized wrists. Even women who enjoy sport watch, steel watch, they can wear this. The dial is clean and very refined. It's for all kind of occasion. Let's try on. My wrist is 6.5 inch. It looks great, so nice, simple and elegant, timeless watch. This is my favorite Seiko 5 watch. I'm going to show you the Seiko SNXS73, which is a silver dial, same model but silver dial. See which one you prefer. The bracelet I changed to another Seiko 5 watch bracelet to make it look different. It's an original bracelet. Should we look for one? Yeah, this is one of the best Seiko 5 watch that you can look for. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.